How to delete Pinterest search history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up the Pinterest app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the search bar at the top of the screen. And here you will be able to see all of your search history. Unfortunately, there's no way for you to clear out all of the search history at once. But luckily, there's another way which is simple and fast. You can do that just by clicking on the X icon next to each search. So for example, if you want to delete just one search, you can just click the X icon next to it, or if you want to delete all of them fast, you can just keep clicking like this, and you can do it like in no time. As you can see, all of the search history is now gone. You can verify again. Let's open up the app and see if it really worked. As you can see, there's no search history. And unfortunately, as I said, this is the only way to do so right now. There's no way for you to delete all of the search history in bulk or in mass. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear Pinterest search history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.